So it's been a great day at the park. I was out on a nice long hike. I've been able to just kind of relax and unwind, but it is now time to start thinking about dinner, and I am getting hungry. So tonight we're gonna do something fancy, something fun, and something easy. It's steak pizzaiola. Come on, let's do this. So the first thing you want to do is get your stove going. We're going to turn that on, get some oil in the pan, a little butter, and then we are going to just lightly salt and pepper with little garlic powder as well around steak. And then we want to sear that off in the pan first. We're looking for a good sear on both sides of the steak, and then once it's cooked, we'll take it off because we're gonna finish it in the pan with some tomato sauce and some other herbs and spices. So the steak is out of the pan. It is now time to add in the vegetables. We've got some red peppers and some onions. We're also going to throw in some mushroom in here too, and we want to just cook that down until they're soft. The vegetables are perfect right now. It's now time to put the steak back into the pan. And then we're going to add some diced tomatoes in there. We'll then add in some minced garlic, a little dry basil, and some oregano. We'll also salt and pepper just a little bit. And then I have some chopped fresh basil that we'll throw in there as well. We'll save some also for the end. We'll cover that up and let that cook for a while. Pizzaiola is done. It's time to plate this bad boy up and eat. And there you have it. It's steak pizzaiola. It looks ab-fab. I have some Cycles Gladiator Pinot Noir. I used that when I was cooking. Some Soleil blonde orange water as well. Let's dig into this. This is fantastic. Again, it's easy to do. One pan, basically steak, some crushed tomatoes, seasoning. It just is so fun to have something like this on the road. You know, I love hot dogs and hamburgers, but this is a step above, and that's okay.
You can do that. You know my motto, there's no need to eat poorly on the road, and this is a great example. I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the description below, and then of course you can try it yourself. Let me know how it turns out. That's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then of course you can follow me on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, enjoy yourself, chef it up, treat yourself well when you're on the road, eat great, because that makes the experience even better. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.